Good morning, kindergarten. Good morning, good morning. This is for Group 1. Group 1, can you turn in your math books to page 71? Turn your math books to page 73. Page 73. For number 1, just ask us to simply add. So I give us two examples on the board that we're going to add together. Let's look at the first one. What is 4 plus 1? What is 4 plus 1? Good job. That's indeed 5. Now go to the next one. You see, what is 2 plus 3? What is 2 plus 3? Yes, it is 5 as well. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So for the rest of number 1, you're going to add those problems on your own. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2, what we've been practicing on before, we have done in class and at home. It asks us to write the number that comes after. Write the number that comes after. Let's look at first 17. So the number that comes after has to be in a teen family. So what comes after 17? We count by ones, by 1. Great. 18 does come after 17. And the last one we're going to work on together is 23. What comes after the number 23? Yes, 24. So for number 2, you're going to finish the rest of those two equations on your own. Remember, you're writing a number that comes after, not before, the number that comes after. Number 3 asks us simply, what time is it? So we have a clock, and we have to figure out what time is it by the hour. Okay? So let's look at the first clock. What time does this clock look like it has? Now, notice the right hand, it stops on the 5. So the time is, that's correct, 5 o'clock. Let's go to the next clock. Where does the shorthand, which is the hour hand, where does that stop at? On which number does it land on? Or point to? What number does it point to? It points to the 10. So the time is, that's correct, it is 10 o'clock. So for the question that you have to figure out what time it is. So look at the shorthand, that would be your hour hand. That's how you figure out what time that you do have. Let's look at number 4. So number 4, you have to simply listen to the instructions. It says, circle the bear from the far left. Circle the 7th bear from the far left. So you have to know your left and the right, know your directions. Once you start at the left, you circle the 7th bear. Okay, and let's flip over to page 74, number 5. Number 5 wants us to trace and write. So you're tracing and writing from number 50 up to number 79. So you trace on the left-hand side, and then the right-hand side, you're going to write those numbers over.